Hey, what's up guys? It's Ahmed again, A to Z Auto Masters, and today we got a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 3.6. We'll show you how to change the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. Okay, so we got the hood open and the filter is right under here. We got one clip here and one clip here, just pops in. You have two tabs right there, just slide it, lift up and slide out. So you can just pull the filter out, as you can see, need to be changed. This is the new one. Fit the new one in place and make sure those back tabs, just slide it backward, make sure it fits in here. Right there, it fits inside. And just put these metal clips back. Simple as that. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so we're inside the car, the glove box right there. You open the glove box and you will see this tray. Usually they keep the owner's manual here. Take this out and you can just pull down with both hands. Try to do it with one hand and pull down on it. As you can see right there, it has the two clips in the back and these two clips up top. Take this out of the way and you can see that door. Okay, so you just pull this tab. Okay, pull the tab and you have this. You can probably see the filter is filthy. Something like that. Okay, it's the old one, that's the new one. Disgusting. Make sure you keep the airflow, the direction of the airflow on the filter in the right direction. In this case, airflow is down, so you keep the airflow down. Slide it in, get that cover again. You hook up this side first. Let's see if I can do it. So you hook up this side first and then just push it in. That's it. Perfect.